Nasan? Nasan ang nadikit? Wala, di ba?
This is the secret so that your eggs don't stick to the pan again. With this trick, you will transform any pan into non-stick. To start with this trick, we'll begin by adding a bit of oil to a pan. We should let this heat up a bit. Now, we continue by adding an egg. Here, I will show you how the egg sticks to the pan naturally. I'm sure that everyone has been through the situation of not having a non-stick pan. I saw this trick on the internet and decided to try it, and it worked perfectly for me. So I decided to share it with you. The best part is that we'll only need one ingredient that most of us already have at home. Friends, our egg is already fried, and I'm going to show you that it really sticks to the pan. Look at how difficult it is to remove the egg from the pan. It's very sad when you crave fried eggs and can't make them because your pan isn't non-stick. Now I'll tell you how to make your pan non-stick. My pan is already completely clean, so let's repeat the same process. We'll add a bit of oil to the pan. Now we'll add a tablespoon of wheat flour. And with just this ingredient, your pan becomes non-stick. I didn't think it worked until I tried it. This is an easy way and will save you a lot. The flour does the job, activating the grip of any pan. Don't forget to tell us where you're watching from so we can send you a special greeting in the next video. Today's greeting is for Robert Burdett, watching from Virginia, USA, and Elva Castillo Elizondo, watching from California. Thanks for watching our videos. I'll also add a pinch of salt on top of the egg to enhance the flavor. Now, see the magic happening. I'm going to move my pan, and you'll see how loose the egg is. This trick is incredible. The best part is how easy and quick it is, and with just one ingredient, you'll activate the non-stick in the pan. Now I make fried eggs in any pan, and we can see how loose the eggs are with this powerful ingredient. You can also use this trick to fry anything else you want. If you've made it this far watching our recipe, that means you're enjoying it a lot. So leave me the non-stick message below so we can send you a special greeting in the next video. I would like you to rate this tip or trick from 0 to 10 to see if you liked the result. Friends, I hope you really liked today's advice. I send you a big hug and see you in the next video. Many blessings and goodbye. Thanks for watching the video.
Naku, hindi magaling. Ito ang panoorin nyo. Anong sabi? Kailangan daw ng harina? Tingnan nyo to. Ang kailangan mo lang naman talaga dyan ay painitin ang mantika. Yung mainit talaga ha. Oh, huwag nyo nang pansinin yung mga itim-itim. Nagprito kasi dyan ng talong. Oh, lagyan mo na ng konting asin. Ayan, antayin mo lang maluto.
Okay.
Hala, paspas na oh. Oh, this is the moment of truth. Nasan? Nasan ang nadikit? Wala, 'di ba? Mga fake news.